Hi, Mike Siegel here from Allstate Home Leisure. Wanted to talk to you a little bit today about our Platinum Pool Kit. Once you pick out the pool that you're going to buy, you're going to want to come over and pick out a kit. The Platinum Pool Kit is by far our best value. In the kit, you're going to get everything you need to maintain your pool. From a vacuum head to a skimmer net, to a wall brush, even a winter cover to cover your pool in the winter, to some starter chemicals to help you balance your water, a vacuum hose to help you clean the water, a nice A-frame ladder to help you get in and out of the pool. One of the biggest points of the Platinum Kit probably is our 2 horsepower, 2-speed waterway filter. This has got a 125-foot massive cartridge inside of it that helps you clean your pool very easily. And then on top of that, our Platinum Kit also includes our exclusive Permasalt system. This system is going to help you maintain the cleanliness of your pool all year round, and it's super easy. There's a link at the bottom of this video that goes a little bit more in depth about the Permasalt system. So this is our Platinum Pool Kit. Come see us at Allstate Home Leisure. We'll be glad to talk to you further about it. Hope to see you soon.